boys and girls, Miss Bear coming today with your math lesson of the day. First thing we're going to do is count how many animals we have all together. So I have 3 dogs. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. How many cats and dogs do I have all together? Remember, when you hear the word all together, you're counting everybody. So dogs, cats, all together. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 animals all together. We're going to play a game today. And my game is called Roll and Move. I've got a dice in front of me. I'm going to shake my dice. And my number is 6. I'm going to move 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into my tens frame, and then it would be your turn. So you would shake the dice, and your number is 4. So you're going to fill in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our tens frame is full now. We're going to move to the next tens frame. So my turn again. I'm going to shake my dice, and my number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your turn. You're going to shake your dice. And your number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our tens frame is full. So that's how we play the game, roll and move. We fill our tens frame, counting as many as we can. All right, how many items do you see in this tens frame? That's right, there's 6. How many do you see now? That's right, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do you see now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. Wow, what about now? That's right, there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take a look at our picture. How many clouds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 clouds. How many people and animals are all together? Remember, all together means we count all together. People, animals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. 1, 2, 3 animals. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people and animals all together. We're going to take out our writing boards for the day, and we are going to practice writing that number 7. So I'm going to get my writing tool, and I'm going to do the very best I can writing on this piece of paper in front of you. To make the number 7, you slide to the right and slant it down. Let's try that again. Grab my tool. I'm going to slide to the right and slant it down. My writing's a little scribbly today. Let me try to make it a different color so we can see it. Try it again. I'm going to slide to the right and slant it down. Let me show you on my paper. Here's my writing paper. I'm going to make it big so you can see it. We're going to slide to the right, slant it down. There's our number 7. I'm going to try to write it on my lines. I start at the skyline, slide on the skyline, come down to the grass line. I'm not going to forget my finger space. Slide and slant. Slide and slant. Slide and slant. You practice writing your number 7s. Don't forget your finger space. I want you to keep practicing hard on those number 7s and your letters. C, A, D, H. I think that's it. All right, you boys and girls, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.